Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from me, myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website. Once on the website, you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you do want to join our team, all you have to do is simply scroll down now, click on that link, which will then take you to our website, and then that's where you'll then be able to join our service. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you on our team soon.
So in front of me is the S&P 500 futures chart, and as you can see today, we are trading in the green ever so slightly, roughly around 3,243. So the 3,200 level has continued to hold. Before the US markets opened, all indices, that's the Nasdaq, the Dow, and the S&P 500, were trading rather heavily in the reds. But when the US market opened and the US session begun, we did see some rather heavy buying, and now, as you can see, the Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq 100 are all trading in the green, and that's exactly what's happened here in the S&P 500 since US markets opened. We have seen that buying pressure, and it looks to me that it's just a continuation of what I like to call the yo-yo markets, and that's where one day we're up, the next day we're down, and I'm not talking 0.5%. I'm talking anywhere between 1 to 3% on any day. So very volatile conditions here on the S&P 500. If I was a retail trader, I would just be patient for now. I would look maybe for an entry around that 200-day EMA. I don't think that this is it for the downside. I think that we will potentially retest that 3,200 level. I do expect this level to hold though. This is an area where I think that Wall Street will jump back in and pick up some value here on the S&P 500 and then buy it back towards that 3,600 level, which is the all-time high. There's worries around the world right now of a second lockdown or a second wave, and quite frankly, it's the S&P 500 stocks which will, the majority of the stocks in that basket will be affected by a second lockdown, and probably not to the good side, most probably to the backside, most probably in a negative way. And I think they're just kind of depending on the Fed to come out and offer a stimulus package or some sort of support. So I think that's what the market's clinging on to at the moment. And of course, we have the US elections coming up as well. So there could be a lot of volatility in this indice going into the near future. But I am bullish still long term. Long term, I am still bullish. I don't like shorting the US indices because if you look, these things were built to go higher. And if you look at the bigger picture, the overall history of these indices, they have always gone up. So I do like buying the S&P 500 on quite major dips, and I think we're about 15% off our highs here on the S&P 500. So I am a buyer on this dip, but I would like to get an entry more roughly around that 200-day EMA. If we did get a daily close below the 200-day EMA, then that would not be good at all for this basket of stocks. But we can deal with that once it comes to it. But at this moment in time, I am sitting on the sidelines, but I am a buyer if we do come into that 200-day